Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. The past couple of days did bring sunshine and warmer temperatures. We are feeling the effects of that cold front that did pass through overnight last night as we're off to a chillier start, but thankfully the cloud cover has left, leaving us with plenty of sunshine for our Friday morning. Taking a live look at a Mercy Health SkyTrack camera over beautiful downtown Rockford. You can see the sunny skies out there. A little bit of cloud cover off in the distance, but still temperatures are chillier from how we started off the morning yesterday. Starting out here in Rockford at 37 degrees. We're at 33 in Freeport, waking up to 36 up in Janesville, 33 in Monroe, and 40 out in Galena. Now, you'll also notice as you step out the doorway this morning, it's a little bit breezier out there. Winds behind the front did ramp up a little bit overnight last night. Right now, most of our spots reporting about 10 to 15 mile per hour winds out of the northeast. This is what's going to continue to filter in that cold air as we head into not only the rest of our day today, but also into tonight. So taking a look at satellite and radar, you can see that we did have cloud cover overnight last night and into this morning. But as we got closer to sunrise, that cloud cover left, leaving us with plenty of sunshine. Now you can see a low pressure system just to our west that did bring that cold front through overnight last night. And all of that cold air that's been sitting in the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes is beginning to filter into the state line. And it's going to continue to do that as we head into the night tonight. And that's when we'll feel the worst of this cold air mass. So let's take a look at the rest of our day using FUTURECAST. You can see we have a mostly sunny start, but there will be a little bit more cloud cover heading into the midday hours. That could lead to an isolated shower, but much of our daylight hours are going to be featuring dry conditions. It's going to be a little bit windy, and definitely you'll notice the chill out there this afternoon. Now, as we get into the night tonight, there'll be perfect ingredients for temperatures, as we say, to bottom out or rapidly drop. We're going to see lows by tomorrow morning in the upper 20s and low 30s. So if you have any vegetation out in your yard, any gardens, make sure that they are covered, and also make sure to bring in sensitive plants that could be harmed by the freeze tomorrow morning. Besides that, we do see dry conditions for most of our Saturday. We'll see a little bit more cloud cover as we head into tomorrow evening, leading to a chance for rain as we head into Mother's Day Sunday. Now, that freeze watch that we had yesterday was upgraded to a freeze warning for all of our counties here in the viewing area. This will go into effect at midnight, stretching until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can see just how much of the eastern United States is being affected by this cold push of air. You see that freeze warning does extend all the way out towards the mid-Atlantic through the Ohio Valley upwards into southern Minnesota. So you can see that temperatures by tomorrow morning, not only for the Rockford area, but across much of the Great Lakes, are going to be in the upper 20s and low 30s. Lancaster, Pennsylvania, 28 degrees. Roanoke, Virginia, 31 degrees. Rockford sitting around 30, and Marquette going to be at 30 degrees as well by tomorrow morning. So like I said, if you have any plants outside that are sensitive to this freeze, make sure that they are brought in. If you have any gardens, cover up those plants and remove that cover the following morning once we actually feel the coolest of our temperatures. Right after that is when you should remove it so that they don't get too warm. Let's take a look at today's forecast. 52 degrees, partly cloudy and windy today. We will see the coldest of this air tonight. That freeze warning from midnight till 7 tomorrow morning, mostly clear and cool with a low near 29. Now, we stay in the 50s over the weekend into the start of next week before we start to see a warm up by midweek. But like I said, just make sure that your plants are secure and also brought in so that they don't get harmed by the freeze.
Yeah, well, just when we thought it was okay to start planting again.